Before assembling the flywheel, I have to mount first the oil seal. As you can see, I have this Corteco oil seal. This is the part number. It is a good quality oil seal. Before assembling the oil seal, I have to put first the buffer and after that the carton shim. The previous videos with the flywheel, I have shown that the buffer comes first on the bearing. You can see the shape, and the carton shim has a roll to be pushed by the flywheel into the buffer, and this way the buffer will be fixed on the inner race of the bearing. For the oil seal, you can use a press with a bolt, you can do some stuff, but I prefer the old way, to beat the oil seal slowly by slowly from every part in order to be assembled on an even dimension. Never hurry. When you hear the sound is changing, that means the oil seal is on the face of the rear carrier, and it is straight on all the parts. And now we have the oil seal assembled. Always beat on the edge here and never use excessive force. If you use excessive force, you will bend the iron sheet which is inside the rubber, and it will deform the seal. So never hurry, never use excessive force. In order to assemble the flywheel, I have locked the engine on the workbench. I have a hole in the workbench, and with this stud it is locked on the bench, and also I have this piece of wood as a mount here. As you can see, I have a big key. My brother helped me to lock the flywheel here, and with this key I was able to apply a lot of force on the bolt, so I'm sure it is tight enough. Also very important, before assembling the flywheel you have to degrease the tapers of the crankshaft and of the flywheel. I have used acetone, which is recommended for this type of job, to degrease the tapers. The bolt of the flywheel, it is secured with blue Loctite, and also I have used the original securing plate, which is now bent on this size of the bolt in order to secure the bolt. So the work is done here. I will not assemble for the moment the clutch, because I want to keep the engine as light as possible, and the clutch, it will be assembled after I will finish the engine. So the next step will be to put the front cover.